Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for music lessons and instrument sales. Business isn't quick, so first type Wix on the search. Now enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business or your website type, music lessons. So let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. Now enter the name of the store, type any name you want. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. Now let's continue. What will you like to sell? Digital products, physical products, and dropshipping products and services. Where would you like to sell? My mobile app and marketplaces and social media and online store. Now continue to dashboard. So design your site. Now how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now enter your name, your information, your name, your email, your address and your phone, and here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Now pick a theme you like. So for example this. Now enter if you wanna pick some homepage design. So for me I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now if you wanna add some page to your site. So now wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage website. Now your site is up and running. Click here if you wanna edit more your website. So this is your homepage website. If you wanna add some elements, click here. So the first element you have is the text elements. You can edit the same text here, the size or the shape of the text, the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image elements. Here if you want to upload and import images, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on the button element. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, and the image buttons, and the documents buttons and the iTunes buttons. The last here is the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. The strip elements here. So here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, and testimonials, and theme. So you have to add some of these elements on your home page. Now let's move on to the decorative elements. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows and the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Also here the vector art, you find the featured, icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges and the characters. Also here the video elements. Here you find the video box, video mask, or transparent video. So you can add anything you want on your homepage at any place. Now let's move on to the boxes elements. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. Now let's move on to the gallery. Here if you wanna if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you wanna show more galleries. So now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here you find your menus, the themed menus, the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. Here you find also the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. And here they find the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here in the forms you find the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, and the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So that's it. Now here the Google Maps, you find the normal maps and the full width maps, and here you find the chat, the Wix chat, and the line button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. So if you wanna add some single video players or Wix video, video box, video mask, or transparent video. Also here the music element you find the audio players, the Wix Music, SoundCloud player, or Spotify player, or iTunes button. You can add anything from here you want. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, the full width slideshows, or the box slideshows, and here you find the light boxes. Here if you wanna add some over boxes or tabs. And here the last is the over pictures. So let's move on to the list elements. Here you find the hover pictures and the blank pictures. So let's move on to the embed code. Here you find if you wanna custom popular embeds, if you wanna add some single video players. Here if you wanna edit your audio elements, the SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools or the velotive mode, and the last here is the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you wanna add some social bars, here you find the Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, and the last here is YouTube. If you wanna add YouTube channel on your home page, and let's move on now to the payments elements. Here you find the payments buttons, the pay buttons, and the PayPal buttons. Here you find the payment forms, the order forms, and the donation forms. Here the pricing plans, and the last here is the store. If you wanna edit your store elements. So let's move on here. If you wanna use the CMS, if you wanna easily manage your site content. Now let's move on to the blog. If you wanna share your expertise and engage with your audience. If you wanna edit here your store, here your bookings elements and your related elements, the pricing plans. Now let's move on to the events. Here if you wanna create and manage events, the community, if you wanna add members area, and here the last is your designs. So that's it. Now if you wanna add section, you can just click here, select any section from here you want to add on your home page, and that's it. Here if you wanna add page and menus, so here the page you have to add, and the site menu, you can add some site menus or page. Here if you wanna design your site, you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you wanna add some apps, if you wanna manage your business, here if you wanna upload your media, so you can edit images and videos. Here if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos. So that's it. Here if you wanna use the CMS and easily manage your site's contents. And here if you're looking for some if you wanna edit the Google ads or Facebook ads, if you wanna manage the Google ads, the social media marketing and the marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website homepage, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.